Hello everyone, I'm Tan Lu from KEDA Suremaker. I am currently at our manufacturing base. As a leader in holistic AAC plant solution equipment, we have built a vertically integrated manufacturing and assembly system. Driven by digitalization and greening, we are committed to delivering complete AAC plant solutions and services worldwide. Let's go and find out. Precise cutting with high efficiency. The laser cutting machine in our riveting workshop is a master of steel carving. We have the 8025 plate laser cutting machine and 12036 profile laser cutting machine. Plasma, flame, and other cutting processes are also covered. Whether thick plate or special shape profile, we achieve high precision cutting. With professional dust removal facilities, the process is clean and worry-free. Cutting and semi-finished products are key in the manufacturing process. Using millimeter-level accuracy, precision manufacturing starts here. We transform raw materials into precision-formed components, building the hardcore strength of manufacturing. KEDA Suremaker is committed to delivering complete AAC plant solutions and services worldwide. Welcome to inquire anytime.